Okay, so today we're here with Goth Vibes because I'm gonna be putting on a navy blue wig. I'm actually excited about this. This comes from a company called Mirror Pass. I'm gonna link everything in the description. So the packaging is super cute. It's M for Mirror Pass. In the package, you have your wig. Got our wig. It smells really good in here. We got a mirror, a seashell mirror. I don't know about you guys, but I can always do with another mirror. So we've got a double-sided mirror, some clips, and a comb, and a wig cap. Oh, it smells bomb because of this little, oh, this is so cute. It literally smells so good. So that's cute. That's a cute little touch. It's like the packaging really, you know, it makes a big deal. It makes you feel just getting something special. And it comes with 2 wig caps. So it comes with 2 combs and an adjustable strap. Even the wig smells good. Like that, little small touches like that really make a difference. One of these clips that they give us to kind of pin the hair back. These are some cute little pins. Stop it. So we're going to pin the hair back. 100% optional. I'm going to tweeze this hairline a bit because the hairline to me needs a little tweezing. So the color is bomb. Tweeze out some hair. Tweeze it some more. We actually could have tweezed it like a little more, but I don't feel like doing all that. You can either use your foundation or your powder, but I think I'm gonna go on with some foundation today, just a tad bit though. Kind of pull it back. Like, we're gonna put that wig back where we want it on our face. Go in with our Got to Be Glue spray. Is I'm gonna go put on a scarf for like 10 minutes. Then I'll be actually only been like 2 minutes, but we're about to take this off. Actually give you guys a little bit of specs about the company. This wig is from a company called Mirror Pass. Be sure to use code JDaVinci so you can get 30% off your whole entire total. I'm wearing the style Party's Over. I'm gonna link everything in the description, so be sure to check it out if you'd like to check it out. But yeah, so far it's actually a really cute synthetic wig. And we're going to begin with my eyebrow razor. The hairline is looking great. I could have really plucked some more. If I would have plucked some more, it would have just looked superb, but we ain't about to do that. We're about to cut off the other ends. Position out our baby hairs, like where we want our baby hairs. If you want baby hairs, you know, some people are like, I'm an adult, I don't need baby hairs. do our baby hairs with some regular edge control. This is the final look. Let me know how you guys liked me slaying this synthetic lace front wig. Give this video a big old thumbs up for some more hairstyling videos. I normally never style my wigs, but you guys, I was feeling this. Don't forget to use my coupon code JDaVinci for 30% off your entire total. I will link everything in the description, so be sure to check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to hit a milli before this year is over. I'm a first-time mom. Quit my job. YouTube is like my full job, so I would love to hit 1 million subscribers. It's a lot to ask, but it's like realistic. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie.